Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach Yang Giao, and best player of the game, Leonard Centellan. Coach, I'll start with you. You mentioned how you've been eyeing Dion Thompson for quite some time now. What's your assessment on how he performed in his first game with the team?
We're happy. We're happy with the way he performed. He was late coming in. We had the change of import. So, mga isang linggo. Wala pa siya isang linggo, actually. No? So, he changes the chemistry, no, for the better. Mas maganda yung ikot ng bola. Tapos, galing yan dumipensa. No? So, he's giving us also the rebounds that we needed. Nung Meralco game namin, yun ang kulang na kulang sa amin. Wala kaming rebounding. He's got an inside game, he's got an outside game. Medyo malas pa nga siya sa labas eh. No? Pero tingin ko, pag lumabas na yung tunay na laro niya, mas magiging problema siya ng ibang teams. Kasi maganda talaga yung 3-point shooting niya. Then we played really good defense against a bigger team. I think yun ang crucial. No? This is, I think, the best 3-point shooting team so far. No? Dun sa dalawang laro na nilaro nila, taas ng percentage nila, mga 47%. Eh. That's fantastic shooting from 3. So yun yung unang naging concern namin na kailangan maibaba namin yung 3-point shooting nila. No? So, ayun. Minsan may magandang laro, minsan may pangit na laro. No? Medyo pangit yung laro namin nung Meralco, medyo gumanda ngayon. Tapos pumasok din yung 3-point shooting namin ngayon. Mas madaling manalo pag pumapasok yung tres mo. Ang hirap manalo pag di pumapasok yung tres.
Coach, napansin ko lang, nung fourth quarter, dun na talaga nag-step up yung mga locals. Ano po ba yung sinabi niyo sa kanila sa huddle na they really stepped up and made a big difference in the fourth quarter?
Yung usual na sinasabi ko lang, sabi ko mga PI kayo, pag di kayo ng trabaho rito, masisiro to tayo, patay na naman tayo niyan. So, yun lang sinasabi ko sa kanila. Alam na nila yun. Alam na nila.
Thank you, Coach. Santi, grabe yung pinakita nyo nung fourth quarter. Can you talk about the importance of starting out really strong na nakatulong din sa paglayo nyo na nung fourth quarter?
Yun nga, sabi ni Coach, crucial yung depensa namin. And then, sabi nga ni Coach, pag yung offensive rebound, delikado din sa amin. Kasi may multa daw eh. Tingnan dito, may 15 offensive rebound. So, sabi ni Coach, wala na kasi panalo eh. So, maganda yung pinakita namin. And then, yung chemistry din namin. And then, yun, importante yung 3 points talaga pumasok.
Yun yung tanong ko, Santi. Dahil ba to sa multa? Ano yung nasa isip mo na paulit-ulit na sinasabi sa inyo ni Coach Yang, dapat matranslate nyo sa game yung ginagawa nyo sa practice?
Well, alam naman namin si Coach Yang na kung mag-extra ka, kailangan talaga eh. And then, nakikita naman ni Coach Yang yan. And sabi nga niya, nasa professional na kami. So, nasa iyo na yan kung anong gagawin mo, pakondisyon ka dyan, tiyaga ka dyan, magsipag ka dyan. So, yun.